In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes that are on your iPhone screen. So wherever that QR code may be, in a web browser, however you may be finding it, go ahead and find that QR code and take a screenshot of your device as the QR code is on screen. And in order to do that, press the volume up and side buttons on your phone at the same time. When you do that, you'll then see the screenshot as I have here. All you want to do now is go ahead and tap the check mark in the upper right-hand corner and go to Save to Photos. There's one more setting you want to enable to make sure that you're going to be able to open the QR code link. Go ahead and open the settings on your iPhone, and then at the bottom there, tap into the search bar and search for live text, just like so. You want to go ahead and tap on the one that says General, Language, and Region and has live text at the top. Once you're here at the very bottom of this page, you'll see a section that says live text. You want to make sure that is enabled over to the right and green. This basically letting you know that yes, you can take photos and open links from QR codes. Once you're ready, go ahead and get out of your settings. Now open up your photos. Go ahead and go to that photo that we just took. And when we open that photo, you're going to see a little icon that looks like this. I'm going to highlight it on the screen now. This means if we tap on that, it's going to read text for us, and it's going to highlight that QR code for us. So now all we have to do is just tap anywhere where the QR code is. As you can see, it then gives me the option to copy that link, share it, or open it in Safari. We're just going to open the link. And now we open the link that was directly from that QR code. I'll have some frequently asked questions and a pinned comment down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.